Welcome guys, here's another problem under uniform coefficient under simultaneous equations. Okay, please go through our channel for previous problems and their solutions for better understanding. We are going to solve this problem. We are asked to solve for x and y. Okay, if x plus y is equal to 3 and equation 2 becomes 3x minus y is equal to 1. These are the options before us. Okay, so we're going to solve to confirm which of these options is correct. Solution. Your first step, recall that your equations are in the triune components. Let's use the elimination method, okay, to solve this problem. Equation 1, x plus y is equal to 3. We label that as equation 1, okay? So we're going to pick equation 2 now to represent that. So 3x minus y is equal to 1, equation 2. Is that clear? We're going to add equation 1 and 2 together. Are you following? We're going to add them together. So if we do that, we're going to obtain our answers by elimination. Hence, add 1 and 2 together. Okay, let's rewrite it. Let's move it. Okay, let's write it here. Okay, add 1 and 2 together. Let's rule a line under the equations. Then let's introduce our plus sign. Okay, then it will be 3x plus x. Is that clear? So we have 4x plus y plus negative y will become plus negative. Okay, so that plus y will cancel out negative y and you have 0. Is that clear? You have 0 as your answer. Okay, is equal to, then 3 plus 1 will give you what? 4. So we have 4x plus 0 is equal to 4. Our next step is to divide through by 4. Okay, so divide both sides by 4 so that 4 cancels 4. X is equal to 4 over 4, which becomes 1. Is that clear? So our x is 1. We're going to hence substitute x is equal to 1 into x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, which is equation 1. Then let's pick equation 1. X plus y is equal to 3. 1 plus y is equal to 3. So CLT, collect like terms, so that 1 we move. Okay, so we have y is equal to 3 minus 1, because 1 is positive. It jumps equality signs and becomes negative. So we have negative 1. Okay, so y is equal to 2. That is our answer. Hence, our x and y are 1 and 2. So option A is the correct answer. Is that clear? Yes, option A is the correct answer. If you like this video, share with your friends, practice more problems, and then go through our channel for more solutions. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.